Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will be showing you the way how to find the duplicate photo on your iPhone and how to delete them or merge them to get the extra space on your phone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your photo library, and after that you just need to take a look on this bottom sections. There will be like 4 sections, which are the library, for you, albums, and search. So here you just need to stay in an album part, and you just need to like scrolling down until you find this option, which are the media types and utilities. And if to find the duplicate picture, go scrolling down until you find this utilities, and after that you just need to click the second row, which is the duplicates, and there will be shown up to you the duplicates media. So there will be 2 options: either you want to delete both or you want to delete one of them and to keep one another. To do that, you just need to go click select all to select every duplicates photo on your phone. And after that, if you want to delete them, you just need to go click this delete icon so that both of the picture will be deleted from your phone. But then if you want to only delete one and keep another, you just need to go click merge and just go merge like 76 items, or you can also merge 62 exact copies only, and go merge. Now all of your media is already merged. So that is the way how to find the duplicates and delete to get some free space on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you for the next tutorial.